Come and join me today to take a tour of some beautiful homes that are built by Whitworth Builders. So this is a 2,582 square foot plan with Whitworth. And this is, it does, even though here you only see a 2-car garage, it's considered a tandem because it goes deep. And so there is a spot for the 3rd car. So it's got a cute little front porch, and the angles on this house are beautiful. So walking in, you've got a dining room here, dining area to the right, little bar area, built-in cabinets, nice open living room. Kitchen is super open, so if you love to entertain, then it's nice and open. Eat-in area, breakfast nook. You could see the fridge goes there, pantry in the corner. Let's see the size of the pantry. Okay, so nice walk-in pantry. And then, so this room is considered a flex room, which could also be the 4th bedroom. So they've got it in here. The builder's using it as their color choice room for when people come in and choose their brick color, you know, all their options basically. And then down this hallway is the other bathroom, and then a linen closet there. Now the bedrooms here do feel a little more spacious, and let's see. Okay, so regular size closet, not a walk-in, but still spacious. And then going over here to the master, nice high ceilings, double tray, crown molding. So nice and spacious. Now the bedrooms are carpeted. And then in the bathroom, double vanity and 2 huge walk-in closets. So there's that one. The toilet is over here. And they have a soaking tub. Here's the other big walk-in closet. And then again, their very spacious walk-in shower. Oh, and then let me show you linen closet here. So bathroom, 3rd bathroom over here. And then that's the shower there. And then this would be the bedroom up at the front. This is the lovely Q, amazing real estate agent.
Thank you.
And let's go peek at the laundry room. Lights are not working in the laundry room, but you can kind of get an idea. And I did want to show you in the garage what I meant by the tandem. So this space right here is where you would fit that 3rd car. And then the other 2 cars would fit over in here. So let's see if you can kind of see. And let's video the backyard so you could see. So this one also has the covered back porch area. And you can see that this section there is nice and roomy, and then they've added this concrete pad here. So this would be really nice if this got screened in. This is the 2548 by Truland. Also has a 3-car garage, which you can see the workers are here working on it today. Has a nice little front porch area. And this one's probably a little messier looking because this one definitely needs a little more work. Okay, so when you come in to the right, an office space there, and then very open living room. The kitchen is a little bit more sectioned off. Formal dining room here. And then master bedroom. Ooh, this is pretty. Lots of cabinets. This one's really, really larger than the last one we were just at. Again, that pretty walk-in shower. And it's got the handles right over here to turn the water on. So it's got the soaking tub, walk-in closet, toilet is in here, and then another walk-in closet here. Let's go check out the rest of the house. So this would be the breakfast nook here. Let me see if they have power for, oh, I don't know if they have power yet or why the lights are not on. So kitchen is very spacious, bigger, way more cabinets here than in the last one. So it's got the center island, and the island does have power. And then this would be the spot for the fridge. And let's see, this, okay, walk-in pantry is still pretty spacious. So it's got this third bathroom back here, kind of like the pool bathroom that goes out to the back porch. And then one of the bedrooms back here. So this is also a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. It's got a walk-in closet there. And I'm assuming this is probably a little linen closet there. And then one of the other bedrooms there. So laundry area. And they've got a shelf there to put soap, garage, and water heater will be right over in there. And 4th bedroom is kind of off in its own section. So this one is not a walk-in closet either. And then this 4th bedroom has a bathroom right off of it. So let's go peek at the backyard. So this one has a way bigger covered back porch area. And the builder was just here and said that this goes back about 130 feet back. They just decided to leave the trees kind of as a buffer. There is no fence, privacy fence at the back. There's just the fence that the state puts like off the interstate. So you can see the back porch is bigger, and that's the house we were just in over there. And not just is it bigger in this section, but then they also poured this additional concrete pad here. So this is the 2540 plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's a very open floor plan, luxury vinyl plank flooring when you come in, open to the kitchen. So right where you come in to the right is the dining room area there. And then to the left, this would be like a home office space. And in the kitchen, you've got a nice big island there. To the right would be the fridge space. And then there's a nice big pantry here. So it's a split level plan. Right here is the space for a breakfast nook table. This space back here could be either maybe like a game room for the kids or like an additional home office. And then the master is on one side of the house. Does have carpet for the flooring. Double vanity. It's got a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shower, walk-in shower, really spacious. And then you'll see when you walk in, right here is where you turn the water on. It's got 2 walk-in closets. Then a tub. Here's the other closet. And then the toilet is in its own separate room. So let's go to the other side of the house. So off the kitchen towards the back is another bathroom. And this bathroom is sometimes called the pool bathroom because it's got a door going out to the backyard. So if you ever did want to build a pool, then your guests have easy access to a bathroom. This is one of the bedrooms with a walk-in closet. And then one of the other bedrooms, also with a walk-in closet. And then let's see what's in here. Okay, this is like a linen closet there. So back through the kitchen, this would be like a great guest suite. Now this one does not have a walk-in closet. And I say this one would be a guest suite because it's got a bathroom right next to it. There is a linen closet here. And laundry room is in here. And you probably noticed at the front that this is a 3-car garage. And so water heater is in the garage, and then there's attic access there. Let's go peek at the backyard. So it does have a covered back porch area there, and they've only fenced off, I'm sorry, not fenced off, they've only put sod so far back. I'm looking for the flag to see if this is the property line. I'm assuming this flag right here, the orange flag, that's probably the property line there. So this is the 2781 plan, and it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3-car garage, as you can see, and a little bit smaller on the front porch here. This material here on the front, this is vinyl siding. So nice big spacious foyer when you walk in, and they've got the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Keep in mind, some of these houses are still under construction, so they might not look super clean because they're still working on them. So nice big open kitchen, large island, granite. This is the breakfast nook area, very bright with lots of windows. This island is huge. This is the view from in here. This would be nice to set up like a little buffet or coffee station, and then the fridge would go right there. So living room, very spacious. Let's go back this way. So one of the bedrooms here. Nice spacious bedroom. One of the other bathrooms. Now this one's got a marble top here for the counters, tub. Fourth bedroom back here. Closet. Okay, so this is the half bath right here. I guess for like a guest bath. Oops. Three-car garage area. Oh my gosh, this is like my dream pantry. Huge pantry. Again, I like that the laundry room is separated here so that you don't have to walk through. In my house, you have to go through the garage to get to the kitchen, and you have to go through the laundry room to get to the kitchen, that is. And so sometimes you see our mess in the laundry. I'd say this is probably the largest master of all the ones we've seen. This one's really, really big and roomy. Large vanity there, double vanity. Walk-in shower. Has a tub. Okay, so on this one, they have the one walk-in closet, and it's pretty roomy. Goes around here like so. And then if you ever see in the description water closet, it's basically for the toilet. They just describe it as a water closet. Okay, let's go see what else have we missed. Oh, we haven't looked over on this side of the house here. Oh, this is nice. Kind of walking into this bedroom. You have a closet here. And oh, this is great. This would be like a perfect guest suite. This is really nice. And so, let's see, where's the lights for the walk-in shower here? Pretty. Now the toilet is not separated in this bedroom, and then there's a linen closet in this bathroom. Let me see it. Okay, so there's the lights. I just want you to see it with the lights on. Nice and bright. Go peek at the backyard here. Okay, that's cool. So they did like an extra concrete pad here, which you step down to. So here's the back view of the house. And while I'm back here, I can point out, so you could see that this part here, they left some of the trees here, but you could see how far back the lot goes based on two houses over and their fence back there. So this neighbor chose to only fence to here, but really if they wanted to, they could have fenced further back. And then same thing, like two houses on the other side. Their fence, you can kind of see it through the woods. Their fence goes way back there.